Welcome. In front of me is an IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to enable the TalkBack option. And to get started, let's go to the settings. From here, scroll down to accessibility, and you should find TalkBack right somewhere here. All you need to do now is simply enable it from here. Now, before I actually do, I will mute the device because it will be obnoxiously loud. And I believe TalkBack still has its own individual settings, so we will see. Let's allow.
TalkBack on. TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision.
So it is working. I'm not sure if it's hearable on the camera.
TalkBack tutorial.
So
Controls.
you can probably hear this. So from here, you have a couple of ways of navigating through the device. Number one, whatever you tap on, you will need to double tap to actually confirm. And you can also use two fingers to navigate through the device. And if you want to disable this mode, you can hold power or volume up and down together. So hold it, it will give you this menu right here, and select use shortcuts, double tap on it. And for some reason this didn't turn it off, so I guess I have to go to settings to actually turn it off.
Home screen. Discover. Home screen 1.
Gee, this device works terribly.
Quick settings. Open.
So I'm gonna now disable it, going back to the settings, accessibility, TalkBack, and simply turning it off.
Use service. Alert stop TalkBack. Stop button. TalkBack off.
And there we go. Now we can go back to using it normally. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.